Welcome to Positively Muskegon. It's Andy O'Reilly with Jenny McNeill. She's one of the practicing partners at Ladas, Hoops, and McNeill Attorneys out in North Muskegon. She's also, that's the firm that's the sponsor of Positively Muskegon. Thank you for being a sponsor and now one of our subjects.
Yeah, well, thank you. Thank you for your wonderful blog.
It's fun. It's going well, and I think it's being well received, and I'm really proud. So
well,
to have you guys on board and to know that you believe in what's going on here is a big deal, and we thank you very much.
Well, you're welcome.
But we're going to milk you for some free information.
Okay.
Jenny's specialty is family law. I don't know a whole lot about the law. Okay, my entire life in dealing with law was I got a DUI once because that was bad. I fessed up. I paid it. I did it. I had divorce once, and I had to file bankruptcy once. Other than that, I don't know much about the law. Talk to me about family law and the best course of action for what you do.
Okay. Family law involves a lot of different things. So it could be a divorce, when someone needs a divorce. It could be a custody case, child support, parenting time, guardianships, includes all sorts of things. You need to see a lawyer when you're experiencing kind of any of those things. If you're going to get married, that's a good time to go talk to a lawyer to talk about a prenuptial agreement.
Really?
Yes.
Do you find people in Muskegon that need a prenup? Because most of the circles I run in, they're not too worried about that.
Yes, actually there are.
Okay.
For a lot of different reasons, especially like if you have people who have, they're starting second families.
Yep.
That's a very good reason to have a prenuptial agreement. Or they have a family business. Lots of reasons to do a prenup.
Yeah.
So
it's something you don't like to think about, but it's something you have to.
Well, and sometimes, as I say, if everything is laid out, makes you talk about those things, make sure you know what you're getting into. Marriage is, a lot of times people think of marriage and the warm fuzzy feeling, but it's also really a contract.
Yeah. And it's work.
Yes.
I'm finally getting it right.
Yes. Yes. And so it's good to know kind of what the laws are. A lot of people don't understand that there are things that happen as a result of being married. You know, a lot of people know about some of them, like with your taxes, you can file married. But there's lots of other consequences of getting married that's good to know about. So
do you hear that? Good. Consequences. Think about that, all you young ones out there engaged.
Yes.
So you also get into custody battles and things like that. And I know being a lawyer, there is a level of professionalism you have to keep. But is that hard on you?
Some days.
Yeah, I can imagine. I mean, you're human, and that's the way it is. It's tough to watch people and their dreams and hopes and everything shatter like that. But you can guide them through it.
Yes. And
make sure that they're covered the best way that they can be and taken care of properly.
Yes. I think that's the one thing that's different about our office. We are, we care about our clients.
Yeah.
I mean, that's part of, I think, of why we get clients. We care about them, guide them through the process, try to figure out what is best for them and their kids. That is what the court is looking at, is the best interest of the children.
Sure.
So we really try to make it as smooth as we possibly can. Try to resolve as much as you can, because that's what's best for kids.
In your office, I mean, you deal with the family law. I know that up front they deal with some of the personal injury kind of stuff and that kind of thing.
Yes.
We can talk to him down the line a little bit about personal injury and that kind of stuff. At what point would you say that somebody should start a relationship with a lawyer? Even if you never need them, should there be some kind of way that you've started a dialogue with somebody and you know they're in your corner?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes. The earlier the better.
Okay.
The earlier. I get a lot of people, especially with divorce, who want to do it by themselves.
Mm-hmm.
And then they do it on their own, and then something goes wrong afterwards. And then they come to see me and want me to fix it. The best time, even if you think you can't afford a lawyer, the best time is to come before our office. We give a free initial consultation.
That's cool. And
talk to people. There are many people who that's all I've done for them is given some advice, give them how to proceed, and they proceeded without a lawyer, which you know they can do. Don't usually recommend it.
Yeah, I'm going to say it's just not smart. And if you listen even to a lot of the bigger radio shows and TV talk shows and all that kind of stuff, most of them all say you need a lawyer.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's important.
Yeah, because there's a lot of things that people don't think about, whether it's the tax consequences or property distribution or their kids. I mean, they think they don't need a lawyer, but most of the time they do. And it's always good to talk to a lawyer first.
Yeah, good idea. So as time goes on, can we pop in from time to time and,
Absolutely.
take you to get a little bit more legal advice out of you and things like that?
Absolutely.
Yeah, there's lots to think about and to do, and I got nothing against lawyers, but I hope I never need another one. To be honest, but outside of you being a part of the blog, I mean that's a great thing. What's the number here to Ladas Hoops and McNeill?
231-744-6218.
6218. Family Law with Jenny McNeill. Make sure you stop out and see her if you need her for anything. Even start that relationship early out here at Ladas Hoops and McNeill, our sponsor on Positively Muskegon.